How to uninstall applications on Mac. The process is going to be very straightforward and hopefully you find it easy as well. So what you want to do first is go to Finder. Finder is this icon on the bottom of the dock. This is called the dock. Go to Finder, and in Finder on the left side you can see we have a lot of things. In favorites we have by default application. You should find it on any MacBook, and then in applications you have all the installed applications on your Mac. You might think that you can go to apps and then right click and then delete it. You can't do that. And you also cannot drag and drop files from the app drawer to the trash. You actually have to go through the Finder to do that. So let's say I want to uninstall the Firefox application. So what I have to do here is right click, move to trash. I can do that. So here you can see, are you sure you want to delete Firefox application? I'm going to say delete. If you don't know how to right click, by the way, for this again you'll have to put in the admin password, and after doing that you can see it has gone away from our applications folder. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop files in the trash. So let's say I don't want Google Docs, I can drag it and drop it in trash and it's going to delete, and again I will have to put in my admin password. If you don't know how to right click, you can just take two fingers and tap on your trackpad and that will right click. If you don't have a mouse, on the mouse obviously there is a right click. By the way, to uninstall it completely, you go to trash again and select empty over here, and then it is going to delete. Again, if I go to apps, if I look for Firefox, it is not there. You also uninstall Google Docs, it is also not here. So it has been uninstalled. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.